there's certain things that work really well online, like these chunks of lectures, for example, that students can watch at 2x, and you can really make sure that the content is excellent before you provide it there. But like really focusing on the in-class time that we have with them for feedback and what that entails, right? So if I have 1.5 hours with my students in my course, and I want to start with saying that, unfortunately, my situation is, well, fortunately, it's a lot easier than yours, because it's a small class. So it's about 70 students, and I empathize, because Tamara, for you, this class of that size, it's impossible to do what I'm about to describe. But focusing on that 1.5 hours of in-class time has allowed me to kind of break it down into parts. And one of the things we've done is we've cut content. So our lectures now are only 45 minutes. And my goal is even to make it less than that, right? So the first thing is really thinking critically about content and focusing on what we can deliver. And then the rest of the time, I'm really trying to focus on coaching and giving feedback. And I think that's really the reflection that I've had. And on a class this size, if I have a relationship with the students, it allows me to coach them more effectively. So, for example, if the final paper that they're working on, they can write an abstract much earlier on. And the idea is that they get feedback on that abstract, and we can kind of guide the final product. And we've been giving a lot of feedback that essentially they were not reading before, but this process of getting to know them and giving targeted coaching and feedback forces them to improve on the final writing task. And I think that's been one of the really, really exciting things that that we are seeing. We've always done research projects on this course on writing and critical thinking, but the coaching aspect that's come out of the pandemic, I think, is critical, because we really get to do this one-on-one.